Hello everyone, welcome to B Plus Railway Online Test Series. Today we are going to learn about 11-digit wagon numbering system in the Indian Railways. This video is helpful for departmental examination or Group B post for AOM and AME. Indian Railways adopted 11-digit wagon numbering system in 2003. In this 11-digit numbering system, the first two digits C1 and C2 represents type of wagon. For example, BCNA, the code is 30, BCNA HS, the code is 31, Boast HS code is 21. The third and fourth digit represents the owning railways. For example, for NWR code is 11, NCR the code is 13, East Coast Railway code is 12. Fifth and sixth digit C5 and C6 represents year of manufacturing. Now, 7th to 10th, these four digits is the running number of each type of wagon. In this, the number will be from 0001 to 9999. From 0001 to 0999, that is 1 to 999, this number will be used for departmental wagons, and the next numbers, that is from 1000 to 9999, will be for traffic use wagons. The 11th digit, that is C11, is called the check digit, and for each wagon, check digit is calculated based on 6-step algorithm. We will learn how to calculate the check digit. So we will go step by step. In the first step, from the left to right, we have to take all the even position digits and do the sum of, that is C2, C4, C6, C8 and C10. We have to add all these digits. We have to add all the digits at the even places. The step 2 is multiply the sum by 3. The third step is add all the digits of odd places from the left to right up to the 10th digit only, that is C1, C3, C5, C7 and C9. Get the sum. Now 3 times the sum of the even place and the sum of the odd places, that all together we have to add it. Then we have to find the next multiple of 10. It is not the nearest multiple of the 10. We have to find the next multiple of 10. So the number required to get the next multiple of 10 is our check digit. Like that we can find out in B Plus Railway Online Test Series. We are having lot of problems. The detailed solution is given below each question. We are now adding the video solution also. If you like this video, like it, subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you very much.